Your next customer is already looking you up online. And right now, they're reading your reviews. The big question is, are they impressed? In auto repair, trust isn't just important, it's everything. A solid reputation backed by positive reviews is often the reason someone chooses your shop over the one down the street. Great reviews do more than make you look good. They boost your visibility on Google and help your shop show up when people search for best mechanic near me. That means more calls, more appointments, and more cars in your bays. So how do you get those reviews? Start by asking at the right moment, right after a successful repair when the customer is happiest. Make it effortless. Place a QR code at your counter or on invoices so customers can scan and leave a review in seconds. Follow up with a short, friendly text or email reminder, and never ignore the reviews you already have. Respond to every single one. Thank people for the good feedback, and when there's a complaint, reply quickly and professionally. A thoughtful response can turn a bad experience into a second chance, and shows everyone you care. Show off those 5-star reviews. Feature them on your website, social media, or even in your waiting area. Let your happiest customers tell your story for you. Want to grow your reputation and turn reviews into revenue? MarketinGear can help you collect more reviews and stand out in search results. Visit us today and start turning customer feedback into your shop's most powerful marketing tool.